Okay guys, today we're doing a lububu unboxing video. So there's a one on the back and the front. And this is exciting macaroon edition. So yeah, you better like and subscribe. And this says boom, and then there's macarons here. So I'm gonna show you all the ones that I really want. So let's see guys. Put some of it back on here. I accidentally ripped it. So let's see. We have got the grey one, pink one, yellow one, the green one, the blue one, the brown one, and the stick one. I really hope I get the sticker, and I really hope I get the pink one, and I really hope I get the blue one. So yeah, okay, let's see what I get. Okay, I'm gonna open it from here. Wait, wrong way. Why was I holding it that way? So, we got we have the bottom one, and it's obviously from Potmart, and it has the monsters on it. So yeah, like, subscribe, or else I'm gonna go to your channel, gonna put a thumb down, then you will not have any likes. So yeah, I'm gonna do it for everybody, because I have everybody's account, so better watch out, guys, better watch out. So bye. So I'm gonna open it again. Okay, I'm gonna open it behind my back so I don't see what I get. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What did you get, guys? What did I get? I got a secret one. I got a secret. I can't believe I got a secret because I was actually hoping for a secret. I actually got a secret. It's stuck in my hair. Why? Oh my god. I was really hoping I would get this. It actually has like sparkles in its eyes. See? Little sparkles in its eyeballs. So yeah. And next time I've already done a skincare video, haven't I? Yeah, I have. I'm gonna make some skincare for her. And then I'm gonna buy some stuff from the store for like some clothes and stuff for him. I forgot his name. I don't even know his name. His name is Secret, obviously. Because Secret. I forgot all the other names, so I didn't. Yeah. These are all on them. If you like pink, you would want to get that one. It has like multicolors with red and pink on it. No, it doesn't. That's the Big and Energy ones. I think that, I'm not sure what that one is, but. And now I know that's what's his name again? Like and comment down below what their names are. I really want to know what all of their names are, so comment down below what their names are, because yeah, really want to know. I don't know any of their names, so in my next video I know what to write. So yeah, I actually got this from Potmart. They said this was the 14. They said this was the real one, but I looked on the front. I was like, no, that's definitely not the real one. But I got it anyways. So yeah. Somebody probably made it and then put it in the store. Yeah, so. And look at the bag. Wait, where's the bag? I forgot where I put it. I think I put it behind my back. There. Where the hell did I put my bag? There you go. Sorry about that. What did I? Oh god, it fell off. It fell on the floor. Come here. Bag. Okay, finally got it. Okay, we got it. Look on the front. It actually says Potmart on it. And it says the monsters on it, so it has to be a real one. And like all of these are not detailed. Like look at all of those. They're not detailed. They don't even have. Well, the ones in the box don't even have any teeth. They are not detailed. They don't even have any teeth, bruv. Like what the hell? So, like and subscribe. Comment down below what their names are, and like and subscribe. You better not. You better not thumbs down because, yeah, you know what's gonna happen. I already told you in the middle of the video, so yeah. Bye!